Hello friends, welcome to programming tips. In our last video, we covered few programmings in for loop. Today we are going to cover nested for. Then we also try to cover while loop, then do while loop. So before start today's session, just try to understand what we covered in our last video. We covered different programs in for loop. That covers print all the print all the natural numbers, then calculate the sum of all natural numbers. We also covered we also separate the even and odd numbers from all natural numbers. Then also we also find the sum, then factors of a number, multiplication table, Fibonacci sequence, and prime numbers. So today we are going to cover nested for. We will try to print different types of pattern by using nested for. Just check what programs we are going to cover today. So first of all, we will try to do a program that looks like this. That means right half pyramid pattern. So then we will try to print that one also, that pyramid pattern by giving some number, then a full pyramid pattern, then a Floyd triangle. So one by one we will complete all the programs today. So let's start today's session. So first of all, we'll do half pyramid pattern in C. So let's start today's program. First of all, we need to take one variable. That means how many rows we are going to print. We take n for number of row. Okay, fine. We'll take row. Number of row you want to take. Then obviously I and j we will take for a loop. Then we will take number of row from user. So we have taken the number of row from user. Now we will run a loop for I equals to 0, I less than row. So that means how many rows we are going to print, I plus plus. Okay, this is our first loop. By using one for loop, we can either print a row or a column. To print row and column in a single program, you need two for loop. Okay, so here we will write another for, nested for, take j equals to 0. So okay, we'll write j less than equals to I. Printf, we will take one star. Okay, that star will print program. If I run this program, that means it will print only number of rows. If I give 5, then it will print all the numbers in a row. So you can count how many star. If I give here 5, that means it will print like this way. So 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You want to print 5 rows, right? So for 5 rows, and at last it will print 5 column also. And the row and the column will increase. The star will increase in a column one by one. Okay, so if I write here like this way, then it will print all the star will print in a single row. Fine. So to divide this rows, or to separate the row, we need to print one /n. So here we'll print a /n here. So what will happen here? So after each and every loop, for this loop, for after each and every time, it will just go to the next line. So here I value is 0 here, then I less than equals to row. Suppose we take row value as 5. So I equals to 0. In our first loop, I equals to 0. So 0 will become here for j equals to 0, j less than equals to I. So that means 0 less than and equals to 0. So this condition is true now. If this condition is true, print star. That means one star will print. Fine. So then again, j value will be increment to 1. J value will be increment to 1. So 1 less than n equals to 0. So this condition is not true. So if this condition is not true, this loop will terminate and it will come here. So here printf /n, that means one new line will print here. That means from this to this here, the cursor will move to here. So here again, I value will be increment to 1. I value will be increment to 1. So again 0 less than n equals to 1. So let me just erase this part. Okay, so 0 less than n equals to 1. Condition is true. If the condition is true, then print one star. again 1 star will print. Okay, so j value will be increment to 1. So here j value will be incremented 1. Okay, so 1 less than and equals to 1. So this condition is also true. Then if the condition is true, then star will print again. Fine. So again j value will be incremented to 2. So if j value is increment to 2 less than and equals to 1. So this condition is not true, false again. Okay, so if the condition is false, then printf n, that means 1/n will print. That means the cursor will move to here to here. Fine. So again in this way the program will continue. If I value is 2 or 3, then 3 star will print here. So again I value is 4, then 4 star will print here. If I value is 5, then 5 value will print here. So in this way this pattern will print. So this is our first pattern. Now if I change few things in this program, then it will look like a separate one. Okay, let me just check whether this program is correct or not. So if I run this program, if I take row value as 5, then this star pattern will display. So if I change this to, suppose you want to print 1 1 2, then 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5, how will do this one? So just we need to check which variables value continuously changing like this way, 1 1 2 1 2 3. So if I print here in this line, if I print here, so instead of taking I, if I print here, instead of printing star, if I print here %d, then comma, suppose I'm printing here j. Okay, so let me just check what is come. If I give here 5, you can see 0 0 1 0 1 2 3 0. Okay, just change few things. If I start it from 1, again 1, that's all. Okay, run the program again. If I run it for 5 rows, just a minute, then even you need to give equal symbol. Okay, so in this way you need to calculate line by line. See, now 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. Okay, so instead of printing j, if I print here I, what will happen? If I print here I, okay, then again run the program 5 times. So it's create another separate program. Okay, so 1 2 2 3 3 3 4 4 4 5 5 5. Why is printing like this? Because when you print here I value first comes in this loop, I value comes 1 first time. So the loop will run once. Okay, 1 will print. After printing 1, then I value will be incremented to 2. Okay, so if I value is incremented 2 and come here, so j will start from 1 to 2. That means I. So that means this loop will run 2 times. So I value will print, that means 2 will be print 2 times. Then again 3 will be print 3 times. Then 4 will be print 4 times. Okay, so in this way you can create this program. So we already complete 2 programs here. This one star pattern. Okay, sorry. Then this one also. So half pyramid pattern we already done. Now we will try to do a full pyramid pattern. So if I change, that means okay, just look at here. So in this line you can check. So here you can see, if I just draw a box here. Okay, so fine. So before printing first star, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 that means 1 2 3 4 5 rows are there. So before printing 5 star, 4 space space have been printed, right? So before start printing this star, we need to print spaces also, right? So let move to the programming part. Now you can see here, if I print here that star, okay, let me remove this thing and I also, okay, so fine. So here we need to print one star, like for I equals to, okay, sorry, we will take another variable ij, suppose take k, okay. So k equals to I, k less than and equals to how many times? Row times, okay. Then k plus plus, then here we will print a space, okay, a space, only a single space, okay. So let me just finish the line. You can, okay, single statement, no need to give two parentheses, okay, you can give here also. So what will happen, just check. So that means before printing star, we just print a space. Let me just run the program. How many rows? 1 to 5. See, a pyramid, full pyramid pattern is printed here, okay. But see the difference here, 1 2 3 4 5 like this way, but here 1 3 5 7 then 9, okay. In this way it print the pattern. So we need to create like this way. This is for only 1 2 3 4 5 like this way, but here all the odd numbers they printed, okay. So if I want to do that programs, so we need to change here a little bit. That means how it's increasing its order. So I into 2, if I give -1, that pattern will print. I think this will be okay. 5 numbers of rows, okay, then okay. So I just give extra spaces here, that's why. See here, 1 3 5 7 then 9. So continuously is increasing, is printing all the odd numbers here, okay. So how this program is working, for I equals to 1, I less than a row, that means this part except this one, that one is same program as previous one, okay. So only what we did here, just keep a space here. That means if I print here I, the loop will start from I to row. So if I value is increase, then space will continuously decrease. So first of all, I value start from 1 to row number 5, then 2 to row number 5, then 3 to row number 5, then 4 to row number 5, then 5 to 5, okay. So like this way the space will print. So 1 to 5, that means 4 number of space it will print, 1 2 3 4, then it will print a star, then it will again 1 2 3, then it will print again star. So again 1 2 3 4 5, okay, 1 2, again it will start from here, 2 3 4 7 star it will print. So same way 1 star then 9 star it will print, okay. So in this way the program will run. So here what we did, before printing, what we did here, I into 2 minus 1. What is the I value first? 1 into 2. So 2 minus 1 equals to 1. 1 star will print. In next loop, I value will be 2. 2 into 2 minus 1. That means 4 minus 1 is 3. So again 3 into 2 minus 1. That means 5. 6 minus 1, 5. So it will print. That means the loop will run. First time it will run 1, then 3 times, then 5 times. So in this way 1 3 5 this star will print, okay. So what will be our next program? So 1 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. So this one is also a simple program. So instead of printing star, you need to print j value here. If I run the program, see here, if I draw 5 1 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5, okay. So this program is finished, okay. This one, okay, done. and these two program also done. Fine. Then we comes here, this is Floyd triangle, so the value will continuously increase here, not like this 1 1 2 3 or 1 2 2 2 3 3 3, not like this way. It will increase continuously, 1 then 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, like this way it's increase continuously. Okay, so let's try to do the program. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to take a variable. Suppose k is already there. Okay, let me start with k. So here you need to just print k plus plus. Okay, just check. Okay, that will be small k. Run the program. If I write 5 here, see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, give a space here, little space here, so it will look more good. 5, you can see here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 5 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So it's print like this way. So what I just did here, just simple trick. So when we are printing the k value, we are just incrementing the value itself. Okay, so k initial value is 1. So first of all is printing k, that means 1. After printing is just incrementing itself. Okay, so that means in next loop it will start from 2, then again it will 3, then 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So like this way it will increment itself and print. Very simple one. Okay, we already completed this 1 2 3 4 5 6 pattern programs. So you can try more pattern programs also. So if you need any help regarding this pattern program, comment on my video. I will try to solve that program. Okay, so today we are also going to cover while loop. Before starting while loop program, just check what are the programs we are going to cover today. First of all, print all the numbers up to n. Okay, I think this 10 program we already completed in our for loop. So I will just show you an example of while loop, and the rest of the programs you will do. And from 11 to 16 we will cover all these things. Okay, so now let's start the program for while again. In for loop, what we did, for suppose in for loop, for I equals to 0, I less than n, then I plus plus, then we write a statement. Suppose we want to print hello world multiple times. In while loop, what we will do, just same thing, while. Okay, condition will be same, I less than n. Now we'll print the statement here, printf hello world. Okay, same way in for loop, same way we'll write hello world here, write the statement here also. But what we need to do in for loop, we just write the initialization inside the for. Okay, inside the for statement. Okay, here we already write it. Fine. Okay, but here also I plus plus also, the increment and decrement also we already we written inside the loop. Okay, but in while loop, what we will do, we need to initialize the value I equals to 0. Initialize the value, initialize before starting the while loop. Okay, we can initialize here also and also here. Okay, same thing. So after writing the condition, we'll write the statement. Fine. So after the statement over, whatever you want to write, you can write here. After statements are over, then you can just increment the value. Okay, I plus plus, that means is incrementing the value of I. Fine. So this is the only difference how you will do the program, how you will do the for program and while program. So in for, we just write that initialization, then test expression, then increment and decrement, that means update the statement in inside the for. But in while loop, we need to initialize the value before starting the loop, and we increment or update the statement inside the body of while. Okay, simple thing. So same way, if we write the program will, okay, n is undeclared, they said. Okay, we'll write n here instead of row. Fine. if I write 5, then 5 times hello world will print here. You can see here. Okay, so same way, whenever whatever program you want to do, suppose here print all the even numbers up to n. Okay, so if we want to print all the even numbers, then you need to just write here, suppose okay, if I mod 2 equals to 0. Okay, same thing you need to write here, printf all the even numbers, just need to change %d and same program, whatever you have written in for, just need to change few things here, then you are good to go. Then 5 here, same. Okay, just we'll write s/n here. Okay, that's better. Okay, all the naturalist number, then 5, 2 and 4. So same way we'll write all the programs, whatever we did in for loop. So same way we'll write this 10 program. Okay, now come here, C program to count the digits in an integer. So that means if I write a number, if I take a number from user, that means 2-digit or 3-digit number, so we need to count the digit. That means how many digits are there in a number. Okay, how we'll do this program? So before starting the program, okay, so if I take n equals to, suppose 1 2 3 4, how many digits are there? 4 digits. 4 digits are there. Okay, now we need to count all the digits. How we'll count? In a whole number you cannot count by using loop, right? So we need to decrease one by one. Okay, so that means we'll set the condition until n not equals to 0. Okay, until n is 0, the program will continuously run. So what we'll do, we'll decrease the number from behind. Okay, suppose if I just divide 1 2 3 4 by 10, what will happen? So 1 2 3 4 by 10, so that means it will come 1 2 3 3 0 and 4. The remainder part will be ignored, so the new number will be 1 2 3, right? So in this way we'll do the program. Here if, okay, no need of if, so here the condition will be n not equals to 0. So until n value is 0, the loop will continuously run. So sorry, so n equals to n by 10. Fine. So we will just decrease the value, we will divide the n value by 10. Then we'll set a, suppose I is here, I value will be suppose 0. So we'll increment the value I here to just count the number of digits. Okay, print the value of I, suppose printf comma I. Okay, fine. The number of digit will display. Suppose if I enters, see, number of digits are 5. Okay, so the program is good. Fine. Now C program to reverse a number, then how will reverse that number? So if I write this number, okay, same program, we will try to do that one. Another one, m equals to n. Okay, we will take m here because n value is already decreased here, so we will take another variable m. Fine. So you will try to do the program in the same program. So same way, while m, what we need to do, we need to, suppose if we have taken m equals to 7235, so we need to reverse the number. That means the number will be 5327. Okay, so we need to take this value. Okay, in our previous program, in this program, what we did, we just divide the number by 10. Now what we have to do, if I mod m mod 10, that means 7235, if I divide it by 10, so that means 7230, the 5 will come. So if I mod this number, that means the remainder part will come. Okay, so that means we got the first number. So in this way we will try to do that number. Okay, 5 3 2 7. So one by one number we'll try to get. Okay, so here what we'll do, now we need to find the remainder. Suppose we have we will take okay, jk, and jk is not required. So suppose we take here remainder, rem, remainder we will take. So here rem equals to n mod 10. Sorry, we are using here m, right? So m mod 10 will take here. So remainder part we have taken. Now what we have to do, we have to add those number. Okay, in remainder we have taken 7 2 5 3 maybe. We have taken here, we already got 3. Okay, fine. After that we will got 5, right? Then 2, then 7, but we need to add those number. That means 7253. Now the new number will be reverse number will be 3527. Okay, we need to create 1000. That means we need to add those number. If I add 3 plus 5, then it will be 8, right? So we need to add those numbers so that the 3 and 5 will remain same, and it will the 5 will add after, just after 3. So what we need to do, suppose we need to take another variable. Suppose rev, reverse number we've taken, rev equals to rev. So we need to just assign the value as 0, reverse into 10 plus remainder, rem. Okay, so if I just reverse the number, that means first number 3 will come, right? In our first loop 3 will come, fine. Okay, here reverse is 0. Okay, so 0 plus 3. So reverse 0, 10 into 0 equals to 0. So 0 plus remainder, that means 3 will come, right? So in our next loop, so reverse value is 3, right? In this loop, first loop, reverse value is 3. So in our next loop 5 will come. So reverse, what will be the reverse value? Reverse into 10. So 3 is there, 3 into 10 plus remainder is 5. Okay, so that means 35. Okay, same way it will come here. Next value will be 2, right? So reverse value is 35. So 35 into 10 plus 2, 350 plus 2 equals to 352. Like this way the reverse will come. Okay, so let me just do the program completely. So now, so after reverse the number, that means after get the last number, we need to remove the last number also. Okay, so if I just do if I get 3, we need to remove the 3 number also. How will remove? Same process will apply. Okay, so what we'll write, we have m equals to m mod 10. Okay, same thing, fine. So what we are doing here, we are just eliminating the last digit. Okay, now we'll print the reverse number, reverse reverse now is okay, percentage d comma rev. Okay, fine, finish. So okay, if I run the program, let me just remove all this thing. Okay, number is suppose 356, it's not 35235 okay, digits are 4, but why is not came? Okay, just check why the program does not work. Okay, sorry. So here I need to give m divided by 10, right? So now if I run the program, if I give here 3 to 5 digits number, okay, so the reverse number is 4. Okay, let me just give a slash n here. Okay, reverse number is 985. Okay, 1 2 3, fine. So this program is okay right now. Okay, so in this way we just completed this program, number of digits and even reverse of a number. Okay, now reverse the number, calculate the power of a number. Okay, simple program. Now take palindrome number, then Armstrong number. Okay, so what is palindrome number? If the number, that means if a number and its reverse number is same, then it's a palindrome number. Like 1 to 1, if I reverse the number 1 to 1, so both number are same. Okay, so that's why this is called a palindrome number. Okay, so very simple one, we already completed this here. So we need to just check whether the previous number and the last number is same or not. So what we'll do here, we'll just restore the n value here, n equals to m. We will restore the n value, and in each and everywhere we will write n. So we are not using any extra variable, so that's why we just did this thing. So now we'll just compare with m. Okay, n value will remain 0 here, will become 0 here. Now we will check if the number will be reverse, rev equals to m. Okay, then the number is an Armstrong number, right? Is a palindrome number, fine. Or else the number is not else. So actually when we are writing a single statement, that time you also bracket is not necessary. Okay, so in else part you can write the number is not a, okay, the number is not a palindrome number. Okay, I need to give semicolon here, fine. So if I write 1 to 1, reverse number is 1 to 1, then the number is showing some garbage value, then palindrome number. Okay, the number percentage d I didn't give here, m. So we need to create one. Okay, now if I run the program 1 to 1, 1 to 1 is a palindrome number. If I run this one and again non-palindrome one, see the number is not a palindrome number. Simple program, fine. So in a single program we already we completed count the digits of a number, then reverse of a number, then calculate the power. Okay, we didn't do that one. Then check whether a number is palindrome or not. Okay, now we'll do this one, check whether a number is calculate. Okay, calculate the power of a number. Okay, so how we'll do this program? So let me just create a new one. Now what we'll do, power of a number, enter a number, then we'll take its power. Okay, then comma p. Okay, if okay, you can also remove this variable, so it's not necessary here, so you can remove the variable here also. So we will take p from user also. Okay, printf enter power, copy paste, enter power. Okay, so we will take p from here. So here we will write simple line, suppose power will calculate in, okay, we'll calculate in m. Okay, m equals to power of that number. That means n is the number, then p is the power, right? So that's all. We need to just print your power, the number percentage d, then comma your power percentage d equals to, so select percentage d. So here we need to write the number is n comma p comma m. That's all. Okay, so when you are using pow function, that time you need to include here hash include math.h. okay, that's all. I didn't put semicolon here, fine. If I write the number, if I write 4, if the power is 2, so that means the number will be 16. Okay, fine. So next program will be Armstrong number. Armstrong number, suppose if I take a number 153. Okay, so if the number if 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube equals to 153, equals to 153, then it's an Armstrong number. That means power of each digit, sum of power of each digits equals to same number, then it's called the Armstrong number. Okay, so what will be the power of that number? The power will be the total count of the digits. Suppose if I write 1634, then the power will not be 3. Now it will be 1 to the power 4 plus 6 to the power 4 plus 3 to the power 4 plus 4 to the power 4. So that means the power will be the count of each digit. If this calculation, if this one is equals to 1634, then it's an Armstrong number. Fine. So how we'll find out? First of all, we need to find out that means how many digit. We already know how to find out the number of digits. Then we need to find out power of each number. Suppose 1634, right? So how many digits are there? That will be the power, right? Separate each and every number, right? You can separate the number 4 to the power that means D plus 3 to the power digit plus 6 to the power digits plus 1 to the power digits. Okay, same thing. One. So we can do the program in same previous one also. Okay, let me just, okay, now we'll count the number. So count the number is here. Count the number is done. Okay, okay, that means I will be the power of that number. Okay, I equals to 0. Fine. Here m equals to n, because n will continuously decrease, na? So m equals to, sorry, here we'll write n equals to m. So after 0 we'll just restore the number. Now what we'll do, we just separate the each and every number. So remainder is required, reverse is not required. So instead of taking reverse, we'll take Armstrong number. Okay, so here what we'll do, same way, while n not equals to 0. So now what we'll do, we'll just reverse the number, right? Remainder, we'll find the remainder equals to n mod 10. We'll try to find out the last digits, remainder. Okay, now what we'll do, Armstrong equals to, we'll find out that number. That means what we'll do now, each and every digit, suppose arm equals to, we'll do that one, arm, what we'll do, plus power of remainder. That remainder will be rem, right? Remainder comma that digits. Okay, I, that will be I. So in that means that previous one, if 0, okay, I think this will work. Fine. Arm equals to arm plus pow of remainder rem comma I. I think that will be okay. Okay, so we'll decrease the number n value again. N equals to n divided by 10. We'll decrease the number one by one. Okay, now Armstrong is okay. Fine. So if now we will compare n equals to m, we'll restore the number again. So if n equals to Armstrong, then okay, we already restored. So the else part, the number will not be Armstrong. Printf, the number is not Armstrong number. Okay, so semicolon we need to put here. Okay, let me just check by giving 153, I think the number. Okay, Armstrong. Now we'll check 4-digit number 1634. Okay, the number is Armstrong. Okay, non-Armstrong number we'll check. If I check a non-Armstrong number, suppose 4-digit number is not an Armstrong number. Okay, finish. So what we just do it here, we just add that last number, add that previous number with the last one. Okay, let me just die calculation this number while n not equals to 0. So that means if I take 1634, then what will come? 4 to the power 4 first of all come, right? So arm equals to, here if I describe this line, ARM, Armstrong equals to ARM, arm value is 0 plus 4 to the power 4 first of all come, 256 maybe. So that means 4 to the power 4 is 256, right? So arm value will be 256. Fine. So now again in next loop, arms equals to 256 plus 3 cube, right? So again it will come 6 cube, sorry 3 to the power 4, sorry 3 to the power 4, again 6 to the power 4, then 1 to the power 4. So like this way it will calculate. Fine. So very easy way, we already completed how many programs here? 15 programs, right? 15, that means Fibonacci sequence and multiplication, all these 10 program, I only show you one, and the rest of the program you will follow the same rules. Now here we completed reverse of a number, then calculate the power of a number, whether n is palindrome or not, a number is palindrome or not, then Armstrong number, then factors you can find, that one is very easy one, factors of a number you can find that program. Okay, so if you have any doubt regarding this 16 program, you can ask me, you can comment on my video, then I will try to solve that program. Okay, so thank you. Read that statement. Okay, so what we have to do, we need